This is how to share a Vercel link. From your dashboard, select the project you want to share. For instance, this HTML starter. Go to deployments. Then you can see here we have two deployments. So we'll choose one, current. Then click this three dots right here and just copy URL. Once you have copied your URL, you can now share it via your Facebook, Telegram, or other messaging app. You can also go to deployments. So from your dashboard, you can see deployments. Then choose a project. Let's say this vitamin. Then you can see here share. So just click share. Then copy link and share this publicly, or you can add team members so that they can view this link. So this is how to share a Vercel link.